My Ancestry DNA results are in. Kinailangan kong huminga ng malalim kasi excited ako. I took the test from the same company about 12 years ago at mas malalim yung mga nakuha kong insights ngayon. Let's start from the ethnicity estimate. I got 55% from Luzon, specifically from Bulacan, Metro Manila, Rizal, and Laguna. This is consistent with what I have already documented on my mother's side of the family. I got 30% Southwestern Philippines. This is consistent with what I know, no matter how superficial, of my father's side of the family who considered Iloilo as their home province. I got 7% Central and Southern Philippines, which is Eastern Visayas and Mindanao. This was a surprise because I have no documentary clues on that. I got 6% from Spain, which was a surprise. Parang I never looked at myself as somebody with distant roots in Spain. If I find documentary proof, I can apply for dual citizenship. Yes, that's a thing. Next, ito yung mga readings na tig 1% lang. As a genealogist, I know that this is insignificant and can easily fall into that margin of error typical in laboratory tests. Pero wala lang, nakakaaliw. The tests revealed that I had a connection to southern India and to the European Jews. So random. Another thing the DNA test service provided is a DNA matching service to other people who have taken the test before. 12 years ago, I had 2 matches. And today, there are 315 people who are fourth cousins or closer. I reviewed the surnames and some are familiar. There were second and third cousins in there that I know of but we have no contact with. There are branches of the family that have left the Philippines. I am eager to connect with a relative who may have deeper research than I do. I am really interested in figuring out that connection to Spain. At a time when the world is divided, remember that our blood connects us to so many people and so many places. What divides us are our decisions to suppress or minimize others who may have the same ancestral roots. This exercise made me think of what binds us rather than what divides us. We are all connected. O, diba?
Meow meow.